Hi guys. So I've been filming all of my incoming happy mail, but I haven't actually been filming my outgoing happy mail. And that was fine at first, but after a while I kind of forget what I've sent people because between my Etsy orders and happy mail and thank you packs and stuff like that, challenges, all this sort of stuff, I kind of forget what I've sent everyone. And so sometimes I'm sure I might send some people stuff twice. Anyway, so I thought I might just film some of my outgoing happy mails, not all of them, but a few of them, and that would also help the recipient understand some of the stuff I send them, because sometimes I might send some really random stuff and they think, what on earth am I going to do with this? So the first one I'm filming is a little bit of a different happy mail. I'm in the Facebook group. It's called the Trashy and Flowish Journal group or something like that. And they've just started a few months ago this really awesome little happy mail list for group members' children or grandchildren. And I thought that was such a wonderful idea. So you can go to the list and, pick one of your group members or someone that you've become friends with as part of the group and send their kids a little happy mail. And I just thought it was so gorgeous. Anyway, I went through the list, and because it's mostly people in America there, I tried to just check if there's anyone else in there from Australia to send their kids a little happy mail. And there was one girl that I found in there, and this was back on, this was actually back on the 21st of May. I've had this in my little book of things to do. And I just got an order from this lady through my Etsy shop, and it kind of sparked me to hurry up and just send this happy mail. So this is for, her name's Rayleigh. It's Raeli, Rayleigh K, and you know who you are. She's really cute and funny. She's also in the Junk Journal Down Under group, and her son's name is Kenny. So Rayleigh, this little package is for Kenny, and I won't upload this video until he receives the package. So it's a surprise for you as well. And he's 10 years old, and he likes, what Rayleigh had put on the list was he likes music. I know he plays the piano. He likes music, and he is learning to play some of the classics as well. So he's obviously a very smart, intelligent young man. And he likes patches, collecting coins, bugs, and she put anything nerdy. So I don't have a lot of things with bugs, but I did have this postage stamp, which has a little bug on it. So I've popped that in there. I know he collects coins, and because he's only 10 years old, and excuse my hands, I've been inking and painting all morning. I know they've been washed, but they're always dirty. He collects coins, and because he's 10 years old, he may not have seen these, but these are Australian 1 and 2 cent coins because they're no longer in circulation. And I know he likes patches. The only patch I had was an NRL patch, and this was a patch off one of my husband's, or it could have even been one of my football jerseys. We're West Tigers supporters, and the NRL is the National Rugby League. So there you go. I know you're a Queenslander, but you're going to have to be a West Tigers supporter now. I couldn't find a Tigers patch, but if I find one, I will send it to you. Trivial Pursuit cards. Okay, nothing screams nerdier more than Trivial Pursuit cards because, you know, you can never answer the questions in these. They're impossible. Well, I can't. Dinosaurs. Actually, let me get this to show you. Don't ask me why, but when I was at this place called Reverse Garbage, it's an upcycle place, they had these little packs of little little dinosaur fossils. And for some reason I had to buy 3 packs because I love dinosaurs as well. I'm a bit of a nerd as well. And I put them in this old jar. And look how gorgeous that is. My little fossils. I've got a little jar of, it's actually quite a big jar, a jar of dinosaur fossils. So I've put some little dinosaur fossils and look how cute they are. You could probably name them. I don't know their names, but little dinosaur fossils. And I've put some music because I know you're learning classics. So this is an old one, I think from the 60s, was it? I can't remember. No, I can't see it. So I've put some music paper. I've put a book or magazine on dinosaurs. And, oops, sorry, there's a page that's a little bit out. My kids, both my son and daughter, when they were young, they loved dinosaurs. So we had a whole bunch of dinosaur magazines. So there's that. And my son also loved, there was this series called Horrible Science, and every week they went through something really funny. And, you know, like it could be the human body or whatever. This is the one on electricity. And it's quite fun. It's really fun things and teaches you about electricity and all that sort of stuff. Little fun things to do. So I've put that in as well. And I hope you like your little mini Happy Mail. And I'll be sending that out today. I've got the envelope and everything ready. And for Rayleigh has been making these awesome little teeny tiny journals out of Band-Aid boxes. I don't know if only in Australia we call them Band-Aids, but they're like little strips of plastic that if you cut your finger, you know, you stick it on there. Like Medi strips or something. Anyway, she recently posted in the Junk Journal Down Under group that she was out of Band-Aid boxes, so she would have to improvise and use some other little box, but I thought that I would send her, they're not Band-Aid brand, I'm sorry Rayleigh, these are Bonny's Band-Aids brand, it's the cheap brand. I hope this box is suitable for your little books. And of course you will get some of Bonny's Band-Aids. I've made a whole big strip for you. So you can use your box for your little books and you can use some of Bonny's Band-Aids. And if you don't know what the little paper Band-Aids are, you'll see a video a couple of days ago, paper Band-Aids or something. Anyway, I'm sorry Rayleigh, because they're the cheap Bonny's Band-Aids brand, the edges don't come pre-inked. You'll have to ink them yourself. And they don't come ready cut. You'll have to cut them yourself. So that's just because, you know, that's the cheap Bonny's Band-Aid brand. So I will send that to you with your with Kenny's little Happy Mail. Anyway, that's it, and hope he enjoys it. Thanks for watching. Bye.